Okay, YouTube, we're here with Zach's YZ85 today. We're going to put a top end rebuild on this bike. There's actually nothing wrong with the bike. It's just time and due for a rebuild. Still got plenty of compression here. Yeah, it's just time for a rebuild, so we're going to pull it apart. Got the master apprentice here, the owner of the bike. And we're going to play about here and get this top end off and put a new one in. First thing we're going to do is pull the seat off, the fuel tank, plastics, just so we can get access to the exhaust pipe, get access to the bike and get this top end off. Alright, we've got the bike pulled down to this far at the moment. The radiator's disconnected. We've got all the plastics in the area we need to get removed off. All I have to really do is take these 4 bolts around the cylinder off and I can slide it off, but I'll take the head off first just because I think it'll be easier just to slide out. And also I'm going to replace the O-ring in there anyway. Just pulled the head off. If you can see here, you can see quite a lot of carbon build up on the top of the piston. So it's got a lot of carbon build up there, but from what I can see so far, the piston and cylinder looks quite good. Okay, I've taken the piston out of the YZ85. Piston looks mint, a bit of carbon on top, but there's no scoring or any real scratching. The very faintest of faint marking here, but pretty much nothing. The cylinder's good. Top end feels good. Bottom end, sorry, it feels good. There's no up and down movements in this, so we'll just throw a new piston in it and keep on rolling. Okay, we're back and we've got our brand new piston for Zach's bike. It's a Vertex. We've got the new bearing top end. We've got the whole top end kit here. We've got some new radiator coolant, so we're going to install this piston. Okay, we're about to install the new piston. I've oiled all this up with some 2-stroke oil. That's got fresh oil into new bearing. Arrow points to the front of the engine. There's plenty of oil in this. I oiled it right up. Now I just got to put those circlips in it. Alright, we're just about to put this cylinder head back on. Push this piston down a little bit. Now these ring has to line up with there's a little like a hole there. You got to squeeze it together where that hole is. And also on the ring there's a little number on it. That number has to point upwards. This is the hard bit. Trying to get this ring and piston in. We don't have very much room. In fact, I want to go to the other side of the engine. Alright, it's just a simple matter now of putting the head on. It's got new O-rings in there. The piston slides up and down nice. Just ready to put your head on. Once you've put your head on, obviously you just put the rest of the bike back together. Okay, the YZ85 is now put back together. Already straight away, I can feel this is holding more compression than what it was holding. And that piston looked pretty good that I took out of this, so we'll see if it starts. What are you doing, a wheel stand?